Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 4K car dash camera. On this video is going to be a unboxing and a product overview. So let's get into it and let me show you what's inside the box. Okay, when you open it up, here's the dash camera. So you can see the dash camera. It's a nice, good sized dash camera. This is a 4K lens. This side is where you have your SD card. Push it down. It's a 64 gig SD card, so it stores a lot of footage. Here's your up and down button. Here's your menu button. A nice size screen, nice and clear. There's the bottom. This side is the OK button, the M button, the lock, and the power on and off. On top is your power supply with the USB-C. This is where you put your mount, and this is where you plug in your rear camera. It's a great camera. So here's your power cord, the USB-C, and this goes into the car plug. Here's your rear camera with the AV plug, extra long cables, so you can install this very easily. Then it even has the red wire, and it even brings this weather mount right here with some screws to mount this outside. Then here's your manual. Here's the shimmy to hide all the wires inside your car. And then here's the window mount that you could adjust it to put it on here. So put it on, you're gonna slide this and like so. And now it's ready. And then you just loosen this to put it into the position that you want to put it in. And then it has a suction. And then, all right, let me show you how to install this in the car. So you see how I already installed the camera. This is the plug for your rear camera. Then here's the power plug. Fits very nicely. You can see how nicely it captures video, and you're able to tilt the camera depending on how you want it. And then I just ran the wires under my ceiling, and you can see how clear the rear camera looked right here. This is the rear camera. It's very clear, and here's the front camera. Shows your time, your date. It has the Wi-Fi that's connected. It records a microphone, and it shows the recording button. So installation is very easy. And here's the rear camera. So you could put this rear camera either on your license plate or on the front grille. The way that I have it, that I attach it to the inside of the car just to look out from my rear, since I don't want to expose this to the weather, even though that it is weather. And then once you set up the app on your phone, you're able to see all the live video from your phone right here. It even has the GPS that takes the GPS from your phone. And then you're able to see old files that was recorded already that are saved right here. And then if you have a snapshot feature, if you hardwire it, you can see any videos from locked and from parking mode. And you can pause the recording, take a picture from the recording. It tracks the speed. And then if you go to the settings, you could change the different settings on the camera. Overall, this is a great 4K dash camera. I like how clear that the video records, and also like how it comes with the SD card and the rear camera. So you are protected from the front view and the rear view. I also like how long cords are, so you can install these in one place and you don't have to worry about the length of the cord. I also like how well that the Wi-Fi works on the dash cam, so you could view all your videos to your phone or to any device that accepts Wi-Fi, and the app works very well. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.